Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
What do you try and teach, sir?
I am trying to teach what you have forgotten.
This is what?
That is God. Some of you are saying there is no God. Some of you are saying God is dead. And some of you are saying God is impersonal or void. These are all nonsense. I want to teach all this nonsense that there is God. That is my mission. Any nonsense can come to me, I shall prove that there is God. That is my Krishna consciousness. It is a challenge to the atheistic people. There is God. As we are sitting here face to face, we can see God face to face. If you are sincere and if you are serious, that is possible. Unfortunately, we are trying to forget God, therefore we are embracing so many miseries of life. So I am simply preaching that you have Krishna consciousness and be happy. Don't be swayed away by this nonsense, waves of Maya and illusion. That is my aim.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.